guys, I'm going to share with you on how to make homemade palatable potato soup with carrots, grated cauliflower, and bacon, and with matching garlic bread. Here are the ingredients: chopped onions, minced garlic, chopped spring onions, steamed potatoes, steamed carrots, grated cauliflower, cheddar cheese, pepper, chili powder, 1 cup of cream milk, 1 cup of fresh milk, 2 cups of water, salt, 2 tablespoons flour, and of course, bacon. In a pan, fry the bacon until it's perfectly cooked. Then set aside. In the same pan, sauté the minced garlic until it becomes golden brown. Then sauté the chopped onions as well. This is ideally done, and I'll set aside. In a casserole, put the water and cover it, and wait until the water is boiling. Then place the sauteed onion and garlic. After 1 minute, put the grated cauliflower. Then add the fresh milk and cream milk. And stir it. Cover it to 2 to 3 minutes. Add the bacon. Place the steamed carrots and steamed potatoes. And mix it thoroughly. Add the cauliflower. Add pepper, chili powder, spring onions, and salt. Guys, it's done. Put the garlic bread in the oven for 11 minutes at 180 to 200 degrees. For garnishing, add the grated cheddar cheese, spring onions, and bacon. Guys, this is my own version of palatable potato soup with garlic bread. Thank you for watching. See you again next Sunday. Bye!